Cross is a big cross by. What going on,
What
buddy?
you mean, babe? What you know? My father Guyana soon. I come cook beer food for you. You like curry?
Ah, shucks, bye. Don't say that word. You pagali or what, bye?
Wait, what you mean?
I love curry. Don't say that word, bye.
Me I cook curry, cook up rice,
Oh,
rice,
cunt.
everything.
Oh, come on, bye. Stop talking like that.
Curry.
Move the phone from your face, bye. Oh,
what?
mother's cut, bye. Mother's cut. Oh my God, babe. You're on island bet again. Are you playing and winning? Huh? Oh my God, yes. That's what I love about you. You're such a winner. Let me see your wiener dance. Do your wiener dance. I love you, babe.
I love you, boo.
I love you, babe.
Yeah, I love you, boo.
I love you, babe.
Yeah, I love you too.
Oh, I love you, babe.
Who's next?
You're good, man. You're good, man.
Oh! Okay.
They just come like a big waste idea, damn. We can never understand the holiday. It don't make no sense. Why? Dog, you know, see them just a forced holiday upon us, dog. Like, it don't make no sense, dog. What if me not believe in it?
Damn, I don't think it's so serious.
Ridiculous. But Labor Day. Why if a PMP, me say? Like, dog, and everybody have say JLP, brother. Dog, they just come like a big waste idea, damn. Just can never understand the holiday, brother. Dog, you know, see them just a forced holiday upon us, dog. Ridiculous. But Labor Day. Why if a PMP, me say? Why if a PMP, me say?
Man, people are concerned about the belly. They say it's getting quite boisterous.
Listen,
you want
people,
to talk about that?
people. Okay, people, listen, people. This is health. Okay, people, Beanie Man is alright. Beanie Man don't have Kwashi account.
No one said that, Beanie.
Alright? And always remember, I am still the girls, them sugar.
Yes.
The girls, them need this nigga boy.
All right.
Yeah, man, this is the new dance. It's called Whirlwind.
Yes.
Okay,
Show us.
catch it.
We saw it.
Yes, people, catch it. Yes, people, catch it. And yes, man, and don't have to worry. If I want to get rid of the belly, it goes so 1 cup of water and cheese. So a lime.
Thank you, Beanie
Me
Man.
a damn fine. You are
Thank you,
seriously?
Beanie
Seriously?
Your bounty, please.
Imagine, you wake up and come fry 3 eggs for yourself. What make you so wicked, man?
Mom, sure you wake up before, but what you mean?
Also, you think me wake up 4:30 because I never tired? You want bet you not eat until August, in here? Just bet me, please. Me I do the thing that you should have wake up early and do.
Mommy, not that serious. Why you shout?
You hear me a shout? You hear me a shout?
My youth. Man, where you just put in the garbage? You a can't last snacks that from home care packages JA. You just dash away.
How are you blind? And plus, I never see no name mark panic, you know, so I don't know where you
Brother, why you not go, my youth? Why not go look at work or something, man? Every day, you know, just itch up in a mother room, man. Why not go?
Let me tell you this. You see, every day I'm in that room, I put in the work here. I work, and get me a snack. I'm forward out here, so I'm hungry and tired. So if I see a snack, I go eat snack there. You get me a say, so I don't want to hear nothing. I work, brother. You see me a say, even though the snacks, them bad and them fall.
Up to the time, timeless. Baby, up to the time. Hey, who you are? Baby, don't play around. No. Seriously, you can't take me for clown. Never. I've been around. Yo. Hey.